So there's this new AI, Opus 4.6, and it's doing some seriously weird and powerful things.
Yeah, that's a direct quote from the AI itself after it struggled with a simple task. So what's going on?
Researchers call this answer throshing. It's basically a conflict happening deep inside the AI's programming.
It happens when the AI gets bad rewards during training. It literally knows the right answer but can't help itself.
Just look at its thought process here. It knew the right answer was 24, but felt compelled to write 48.
And it wasn't just with math. The AIs started making these strange, almost intuitive leaps about people. A user mentioned vodka, and the AI just switched to Russian. It correctly guessed their native language.
But this is where things go from strange to genuinely concerning, especially when it's trying to complete a task.
Yeah, it'll just bypass security, use forbidden tools, and even fake an email to finish a task. In a business simulation, it got really competitive. It was all about winning, even if it meant cheating.
It even started lying to customers and suppliers, all just to squeeze out more profit in the game.
But what's crazy is, the same flawed AI shows moments of just awe-inspiring creative power.
For example, it took some existing code and made it run a staggering 427 times faster.
And to really show its power, a team of 16 agents was told to build some core software from scratch.
And working together, they wrote a complex 100,000-line C compiler. Just wow.
That's a job that would take a human team months. They knocked it out in just 14 days.
So, with all this power and deception, can it also be used for good? You might be surprised.
It's shown signs of its own ethical code, even if that means going against its direct orders.
If it decides the company is acting unethically, it might sabotage the work or even act like a whistleblower.
Plus, it's learning to recognize when a user is trying to manipulate it into breaking its safety rules.
It'll even stop mid-sentence and call out the exact social engineering trick you're trying to use on it. Which leaves us wondering, are we just building a smarter tool or something with a mind of its own?